Welcome to RC4 Wireless, and in today's tech tip, we're going to discuss how to change the PWM frequency on your RC4 device using RC4's One Touch and a screwdriver. Why would you want to change the PWM frequency of your RC4 unit? Well, when you're dealing with LED refresh rates and camera frame rates, there's times where you can receive artifacts on film, such as banding or beating of the LEDs. When you increase the PWM frequency, you have a better chance of removing those artifacts. On your RC4 Magic devices, your default PWM will be 615 Hz. On the LumenDim series, your default PWM will be 5000 Hz. Let's say that you found artifacts in your video and you want to change your frequency. You're going to power up your device, grab your screwdriver, you're going to press and hold Set B until you see your indicators flash. The order that your indicators flash will let you know what frequency you just moved to. We just saw it flash dimmer A, then dimmer B, then dimmer A, and that's letting us know that we moved to 1250 Hz. If I do the same thing again, I'm going to press and hold Set B. The indicator is going to flash, letting us know that we have dimmer B, dimmer B, dimmer A, and we have moved to 5000 kilohertz. And each time I press the button, it's just going to keep cycling through the list of frequencies. This time we saw it go dimmer A, dimmer A, dimmer B to let us know that we're at 10,000 kilohertz. I'm going to press and hold again. This time we saw dimmer B, dimmer A, dimmer B to let us know that we're at 20 kilohertz. And here we have dimmer A, dimmer B, dimmer B to signify 40 kilohertz. And our last one, and we have dimmer B, dimmer A to let us know that we are back at 615 Hz. And there you go. It's that easy to change your PWM frequency on your RC4 unit using One Touch. All you need is your device to be powered up, have some kind of pokey tool like a screwdriver. You're going to press and hold the Set B button until you see your indicators flash. And there you go. And you can just cycle through each of the frequencies. If you have any questions about this, please drop a comment down below, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.